Alright guys, by now everybody knows about the 3 gear. It's shipping currently. I don't have one assembled, but you guys know what that is. You guys have mentioned quite a bit of interest in the 4 gear, and one of the reasons that I haven't put it up for pre-order or anything like that, there it is. The 4 gear is also the same spinner that is inside of the planetary gear spinner. So the reason I haven't put this up, one is I'm still filling out the orders for the 3 gears, and I don't want to overwhelm myself. So I want to knock these out first, and then I can concentrate on other things. So there's the 4 gear. One of the reasons I haven't had anything about pre-ordering these is because I've also been working on the 5 gear. So there's the 4 gear. And there's the 5 gear. So it's a 4-way spinner. It works the same exact way. I'm sorry, it's a 4-way fidget spinner. Works the same way as all the others. The center gear is pinned as the sun, and all the other ones go around it. You can see there. One-handed spin, table spins. It's a nice pattern. So 4 gear, 5 gear. We'll put these right here. Yeah, there's more. There is in fact more. Here's the 6 gear. So when I was doing the 5 gear and the 9 gear, I was thinking, well, how many gears can we actually squeeze in around a sun in close proximity? How many can you actually squeeze in? And it turns out that is 5 planets. You can squeeze 5 planet gears around the sun when they're the same pitch diameter. And you can actually see right in here, right between the teeth, right there. See if you can see it a little bit better. You can see, and it's pretty consistent all the way around. You can see there. The difference is only a few thousandths. You can't see it with your naked eye. You can see how close that is. Turns out that tooth tip to tooth tip is 35 thousandths, which is about equivalent to 1/32 of an inch. That is how much extra space there is, because if you notice, they would conflict with each other. If these 2 gears touched, they would actually be locked. They wouldn't actually spin. So this is the maximum number of gears you can put spinning around a sun gear. There it is. So that's the 4 gear, the 5 gear, the 6 gear. I'm particularly partial to this, and I am pretty sure that this, in fact, let me rephrase that. This will in fact fit. This one, this one, this one will fit inside of the planetary ring. So I might put up another video showing that they actually will all fit inside the planetary. So I'm thinking that the planetary might come with options of different planet and sun combinations for anyone's particular preference. So that is the 6 gear, and of course there is one more, and that is the 7 gear. Now that is, you can see 1, 2, 3 on each side around the sun. So in a lot of ways it's very much like the 5 gear. You can see that they're at 90 degrees to each other. And then in between that there is another gear. Now if it looks familiar, it should. This is actually corner to corner the same frame as the 9 gear fidget spinner. So the 9 gear would have 1 more gear here and 1 more gear here. So, but this is the 7 gear, and it's almost like a bar spinner, but it has some very nice, interesting visual effects because of the missing gear in between. They seem to be riding around a little bit differently. I'm going to give it a good spin here. The pattern is quite, oh yeah, camera definitely hates that one. So there it is, the 7 gear. Now if you